guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn some common phrases in German language that you need in your day-to-day life. So if you are a beginner or if you want to travel to German-speaking countries as a tourist, then you should not miss this video. Let's begin. We begin with Guten Tag, good day or good afternoon. Hallo, hello. Wie geht's? How are you? And you can reply as good. Und dir? Good. And you? But this is an informal way of replying. If you want to be formal, then you can just say gut. Und Ihnen? Tschüss. Bye. Auf Wiedersehen. See you again. Ja, nein, yes, no. Vielleicht. Maybe. Let's say if someone asks you, fährst du nach München? Are you going to Munich? Then you can just say vielleicht, maybe, because you are not sure about it yet. Danke, Dankeschön, thank you. If you want to say thank you very much, then you can say vielen Dank. To this you can reply as Bitte, you're welcome. Another meaning of bitte is please. Bitte schön is also you're welcome, and another meaning is here you go. Let's say a waiter serves you a meal in a restaurant, then he will say Bitte schön, here you go. Es tut mir leid, I'm sorry. Kein Problem, no problem. Entschuldigung, excuse me. Wie bitte means pardon or say again. Let's say you didn't understand a word said by your teacher or professor in a classroom, then you can just say wie bitte or noch einmal bitte, once again please. Einen Moment bitte, one moment please. Let's say your friend asks you someone's number, so you can just say einen Moment bitte, one moment please. Sprechen Sie Englisch? Do you speak English? Ich spreche kein Deutsch or ich spreche nur ein bisschen Deutsch. I don't speak German or I speak just a bit of German. You will need this especially if you are a beginner or if you are a tourist in any German speaking country. Entschuldigung, wo ist blah blah blah? Means excuse me, where is blah blah blah, the name of the place. So let's say you are in Berlin and you want to know where exactly is Brandenburg Gate, then you can just ask Entschuldigung, wo ist das Brandenburger Tor? Können Sie mir helfen? Can you help me? Brauchen Sie Hilfe? Do you need help? Wie viel kostet das? How much is that? Zum Beispiel, for an example, you bought fruits and vegetables from a market and you want to know the price of all the things that you bought. Then you can just ask, wie viel kostet das? And the person at the counter can just say, das macht 30 Euro 50, 30 Euros 50 cent. Then you can just hand over the money and say, here bitte, here please. If you are in a restaurant, then you can place your order as 2 Kaffee bitte, 2 coffees please. Ich hätte gern eine Pizza. I would like to have a pizza. Or ich möchte gern einen Burger. I would like to have a burger. Guten Appetit, bon appetit or enjoy your meal. Zahlen bitte or Rechnung bitte means check please or bill please. Darf ich mal vorbei? May I pass by? Let's say you are in a bus and you want to get down at your stop, but there are a lot of people standing on the way, so you can just ask them, Darf ich mal vorbei? May I pass by? Alles Gute zum Geburtstag or herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag means happy birthday or many happy returns of the day. Genau, exactly, or of course. Natürlich, naturally. Prost, cheers. Noch nicht, not yet. Keine Ahnung, no idea. For an example, you are new in a city and someone asks you directions for some place and you don't know naturally, right? So you can just say, tut mir leid, keine Ahnung, sorry, no idea. That's all for today guys. I hope you implement these phrases in your day-to-day life and practice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Dankeschön, bis bald.